Welcome. If you want to install lightning edges on your Cubot Note 7, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Then click right here and type lightning. Lightning edges. And we have to get this up from Sunny Lightning, so let's install. Click open. Tap right here, click name your theme. Let's mute this ad and turn it off by a few moments. And as you can see, we can go back here, then tap here, select this feature, it's very important. Go back, do it another time, and then go for the customize. So when you scroll down, when you enter right here, okay, I don't understand why it doesn't save. Okay, here we are. So as you can see here, we can change the settings. We can change animation speed, border size, regis top and the bottom, and we can click here to create. We can also set the notch here. So click to create, and as you can see, and that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.